TechDaveMT here, and today we're gonna see one of the vacuum robots and mops that there are in the market. Me and my wife needed one of these. We have pets in the house too, and I thought, why don't we try the Xiaomi one? The Xiaomi one, it's at a good price locally in the stores. You get good bang for your buck, so to say. And today we're gonna see its unboxing. So it's called the Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Essential. This is the basic, the Essential. Then there are two other models. If you go into the internet, you can see, and they are obviously more features and more expensive. This one has the all-in-one cleaner for sweeping, vacuuming and mopping. It has 2200 pascals powerful suction, not too bad, not too shabby. It has multiple cleaning modes, auto recharging and task resuming, so when it finishes its cycle or the battery is low, it goes back to its charging station. For protection and anti-collision, it avoids stairs. You can map it on the mobile app. In fact, here there is the app remote control and real-time monitor. And it has only 8.3 centimeters ultra slim, so it's very slim. Now we will see it. And 1.7 centimeters height, as I'm saying. It's quite slim, narrow, call it what you want. Now here you can see all its features. It's all-in-one cleaner, multiple cleaning modes. You can set its modes, and it has the 2200 pascal powerful suction we mentioned. Since it is slim, it goes even under the beds or under your sofas, and auto recharging in a station, mobile app. We mentioned it all. On the other side, it's the same thing we mentioned, and here it has some nice pictures showing what it's capable of. So let's go for the unboxing, shall we? You can open it. I already did the seal because it was quite complicated, so that it's more fast on video. I hope I can sorry about that. I hope I can put it all under the video because I had to crop up something here. We'll find the box. There's nothing. And that's the robot itself. There is the brick here, power brick. The booklets of the book. And the robot itself, the charging station. Nice and white and sleek, tidy. And then this is the plate where the robot mops. As you can see, there's the cloth there. You dampen it, you put it underneath the robot, and you're ready to go. And this is the robot itself. Now let's see if it is okay. Here. And there you go. Let me remove the box. And then we have the robot, so to say, in all its glory. As you can see, this is the surface part, and here you can also, you must not again, you have to open this one and open it will suck all the dirt in here. It even has this flap here, you can see it, yeah, but it will close once it is in a horizontal position so that the ends don't come in. It's nice, white, smooth and sleek. Power button. You have the infrared thingy in the front so that the robot can check out all your house's perimeter and stay away from objects. It has two brushes, wheels, okay, it seems to be robust and ready to go. And the mop we mentioned before, you will fix it once you already mop the floor. So that's the Xiaomi robot vacuum and suction. Hope you liked the video. It's only unboxing for today. Then we will see it in action in another video soon. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a good Sunday. See ya. Peace.